Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can complete the Cornucopia Quest in Kindergarten 2 game of Roblox Fall Harvest event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to go to the Fall Harvest world. You can go to your garden and you'll see the teleport option right here on your mailbox. And once you travel to the Fall Harvest world, you need to find the Pilgrim, the NPC, which can give you the Cornucopia Quest. He's moving, guys, so you need to look around. And okay, this is the Pilgrim. You need to talk to him to join the quest. And the quest will be different every day. If I'm not mistaken, it will be refreshed after 24 hours. Okay, and my quest for today is submitting 20 Aurora fruits, and I've already submitted 9 of 20 Aurora fruits. If you get a quest like this, you need to wait until the Aurora weather in the grow garden. So better if you just stay AFK, and once you meet the Aurora weather, you stay in the game and then you'll get the Aurora mutation. And then guys, after you complete one of the quests, you'll unlock the next quest. You can only unlock the next quest after you complete the previous quest. And there are 5 quests, total of 5 quests. Oh, more than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yeah, it's 5. And if you can complete all the quests, you'll get the Cornucopia Seed. This is the grand prize. But oh my god, that's so difficult, guys. Even I haven't seen the Aurora weather yet. And okay guys, that's how you can complete the Cornucopia quest in Glory Garden 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.